Google has added a new feature, a drop-down arrow next to the share button in the upper right-hand corner. When you click on this, it gives you quick access to copy this link if you want to send it to someone else. Also lets you know that this file is shared with one person. If I were to come in here and I were to share this file with anyone with the link, I'm going to update this. You'll notice now when I click on the drop-down arrow, it lets me know that it's public on the web. Anyone on the internet with the link can open. It no longer tells me that I've also shared it with one specific person, as I have here with the editor rights. So it doesn't give you all the information, but it is a quick access to see if this is a file that you have shared with others. If you notice the little blue dot in the upper corner, this tells you that there is a request for your document. So when you click on that drop-down arrow, you'll see where it says Access Requests right here. You would click on that Access Requests, and then it'll show you who is asking and requesting for this. They want editor rights. You can choose, maybe you only want to give them viewer rights, and then you can choose to notify them, type a message, and they'll get an email, or you can uncheck that box to not send them a message, or you can even choose the option to decline. I'm going to go ahead and decline for this. So I'm going to click done there.